Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Dogecoin. As you know, today is the new month, that is the 1st May today, friends. So I decide that what is the next target of Dogecoin in the May. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers that what's the next move of Dogecoin in the May month. So keep watching this video till the end. In this video I will show you the next target of the Dogecoin and the May, friends. What is the price they can hit in the May? In this video I will show you on the basis of technical analysis of the previous days, friends. Now if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the currently price of the Dogecoin. 0.328964 USD dollar is the currently price of Dogecoin, friends. I think that Dogecoin had a 1 USD dollar in the April month, but unfortunately did not had a 1 USD dollar in the April, but there is no doubt that they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar in the May, friends. And now if you look the price change occur in the Dogecoin, so the change is positive last 1 hour. The entry of Dogecoin in the May is positive. The last 1 day change, last 1 week change, all changes are positive of Dogecoin, but I don't know why they can't hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. But don't worry, now in the May they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Can they hit a 1 USD dollar or not, friends? As you can see here, friends, now on the screen, that is last 1 month, that is the April price prediction chart on the screen. If we look the price chart, so as you can see here, on 13 April the jumping period of the Dogecoin starts. Now they take a quick jump, as you can see here, and now they are also in the jumping mode, friends. So I think that in the May, I think that 28 29 May they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. If you look the price change occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 month, so 506.75% change, positive change occur in the Dogecoin in the last 1 month, friends. And the highest price of the Dogecoin in the last 1 month period is about 0.418224 USD dollar is the highest price of Dogecoin, friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this